Okay, so how to use EFT, how to use tapping or emotional freedom techniques. What is this called? So, first of all, you have to find your karate chop point, which is between your little finger and your wrist bone, and you tap on that karate chop point with the fingers of your other hand. What else do you have to then do? You then have to tap on each of the points: eyebrow, side of your eye, under your nose, middle of your chin, collarbone, under your arm. And you tap round about 7 times on these points. These points are tapped on while you're saying what it is that you're emotional about. So if you're stressed, you say you're stressed. If you say you're angry, you say you're angry. And this here tells you how to say the basic recipe, which is: even though I feel angry or sad or overwhelmed or whatever, I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself. And the next part is tap on the sadness or the grief or whatever it is on all the other tapping points. The thing is to stay positive, stay focused, stay strong. Once you've cleared your emotions, this is what you can do. So subscribe to my channel and look out for all the other videos that I have on emotional freedom techniques.